What's up, my fabulous love bug goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel, How to Cook. I'm not in my kitchen today. I'm doing a Q&A. A couple of weeks ago, well, not weeks, but days ago, I asked you guys to ask me anything. It was on my community wall, and a few of you guys asked me a couple of questions. I'm also get things about good you look, good. It was all about the picture, but I had a few questions that we'll get into. But before I get into those questions, let's just say make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so, and be sure to turn on your post notification settings, because it is critical that you turn on your post notification settings, that you will never miss any of my uploads. If your notifications are set to occasionally or off, then you won't be receiving my uploads. So make sure you check your notification settings. Great. All right. Yes, but first let's just toast to happiness and all the best for 2020. This will be my last sit down chit chat video for the year. I haven't done one in a minute, but yeah, let's cheers to big things for 2020. All that's best, good health, happiness, success, you know, everything that everybody wish and hope for. We just ask for that. We ask guidance, we ask for peace, we ask for purification, we ask for everything that's blessed for the 2020. So cheers to that. Just in case you're wondering about my head wrap, I do have a video on my second channel, Life as Juliana, and that video, I think it went up a day or two ago, but the link for the channel will be listed down below. So if you want to see how I create wraps like this, just go ahead and check out that channel. I have a video with a couple of head wraps, yeah, tutorials. So if you're interested in that, go and check it out. Yes, honey, I've been wrapping my hair like this for a couple of days, just giving my hair a much needed wig break, if you know what I mean. So without going, I'm in my office right now. My dog is outside, so hopefully it not come bother me while I'm doing this Q&A. But yeah, we'll get to it. Husband is sleeping, so that should be good. Daughter is in her room watching TV, so that should be good. So I'm supposed to have some quiet me time right now without disturbance. But yeah, let's see them questions, goody. Let's see them question. Now, Candy Blessed ask, so she have a couple of questions actually. And she says, my question, she says, why did you start your YouTube channel? Well, I was not the one who started my YouTube channel. Actually, my daughter started my YouTube channel. But, I wasn't really interested actually. You know, I just thought it was a waste of time. You know, just watch videos, other people videos and all that stuff. Check out what's going on, you know, whatever, watch a movie on YouTube and them. I never really care about them something there. But my daughter said to me, Mommy, let's do, I always did fashion because I always had a clothing store, and I wanted to promote my clothing and accessories and stuff that I have in my store. So that's what really that's what I really started doing first. It wasn't cooking. My very first upload was actually outfit of the day. I used to do outfit of the day, promoting my jewelry at my store and my clothes and stuff like that. So my daughter was the one that started the channel basically, and started to upload, because I didn't even know how to upload a video to YouTube, much less edit a video. So all credits go to my daughter. Jamila, her channel will be listed down below. She does makeup and all them things. So yeah. The next question says, and it's from Candy Bless. So she said, oh, did you grow your YouTube channel? I never really did nothing for grow my YouTube channel or not. Like I said before, I started doing uploading outfits of the day, And then while I was doing that, I didn't start the cooking thing yet. Cooking thing was way way after. But I was doing outfit of the day, like I said before. And as far as promoting my channel, I didn't even do no Facebook promotion. I wasn't promoting nothing on nowhere. But after I got to about, I would say about 1,000 subscribers, Style Hall contacted me and wanted to, I guess, promote the channel then. So I signed up with Style Hall for about 2 years. Got 2 years to sign up with them, and Style Hall never do nothing for me. I never see the growth with Style Hall. So after the 2 year was up, the contract was up, I just make sure I X'd out. So ever since then, I've just been doing it on my own. As far as promoting, growing my channel, I didn't really do anything. I guess I uploaded the first cooking video and people see it and like it and started to subscribe to my channel, and that's about it. My friend, actually my daughter had a couple of thousands of subscribers, so her subscribers would subscribe to my channel, and that's how it really started, really, you know. Yeah. Now, next question. Next question says, how have YouTube changes affected you and your viewers? Well, YouTube changes, the changes start, I would say, probably about 2 years now. It really changed tremendously. The effort that I never used to put into my videos, now I have to put more efforts in, as far as your views are concerned, because people are not getting your notification. Before, when I first started YouTube, they never, notification. Nobody had to say anything about make sure that you turn on your notification, or no, well, you just upload a video and bam bam bam, you was getting views. But a lot of merges, a lot of changes happening, and over the course of I'd say almost 2 years, really, my channel has been affected tremendously in that 2 year span. The notification settings are always off. No matter how them people turn it on, it's off, back to off. And I'm pretty sure that the viewers are being affected. People who are subscribed to my channel are affected because they're not in fact getting my notifications, because I get a lot of messages every single day from people telling me them subscribe and them now they haven't get my notification in a year, so the changes has really affected me, and I'm pretty sure it's affecting a lot of you goodies. So all I could say to that is just hang in there. Hopefully it gets better. For now, all you could do is check your notification. As far as the viewers are concerned, all they could do is, if you're in fact subscribed to a particular channel, just go ahead and randomly check your notification settings to make sure that they are in fact in the on position. Creators have no control anymore over anything. Before, we could have some kind of control. We don't have no control over nothing anymore. So yeah, I guess that covers up that yeah. Now, next question. Okay, Michelle Bless says, YouTube is now asking everyone to rate videos. How do you feel about this? Well, that's a good one. Ever so often, I always see other creators' videos pop up in my new feed, and it's always mostly creators that create the same contents like I do. Yeah, that's a big one, because based on the person's answer, because they ask you to rate it 5 stars, up to 5 stars. You could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you put whatever amount of stars you decide to give, then you have to give options like interesting, not interesting, blah 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 blah. Did you find whatever? And so based on your answer, that particular video could go all the way in. That particular video could go all the way at the bottom of the barrel. And I have to say, I always put 5 stars. Even if I never watch a video, that person's video, a particular video, I always put 5 stars and put the video was interesting and all that stuff. Because you know something? The reason why I do that, everybody is on YouTube. Even though people say, oh, you know, YouTube this and YouTube that, YouTube not pay my bills. A lot of people, YouTube do pay their bills, and including myself. So I'm not gonna sit here and give somebody video on a 0 star. I'm not interested, because everybody have to eat. Everybody is here on the hustle. Everybody is affected by this YouTube thing. So I always put 5 stars on any video that comes up in my new feed that YouTube asking me to rate that person's video. I am definitely going to put 5 star, because I'm a look at thing when I'm karma. What goes around comes around, because when you put that person's video is nothing to you, somebody going to see your video pop up in a new feed, and they're going to put the same thing on yours. Nothing to me. So what goes around comes around, right? Alrighty, next question. Do you want to get back doing fashion videos? Yes, I do. I love fashion. I love fashion. Yes, definitely. For sure. I love fashion. Fashion is like my passion. So I can't give up fashion. And I love to do interior decorating and all that stuff. So of course, it all comes handy. But all those things are on my second channel, Life is Juliana. And again, the link for that channel will be listed down below. So subscribe to it. Yes, they are going to be on that channel. Okay, Life is Juliana. Now gonna be that panyaso. It's gonna be over there. So subscribe. Yes, your girl is gonna be doing all them things. I love me some fashion, but now next question. How was the experience when you cooked in your fan's kitchen? It was beautiful, and I would love to do it again. So if you're close by and you want a girl to come and cook in your kitchen, just let me know down below. But if it ain't one cold place, then I'm not gonna come, because not till the summertime, because your girl is not loving the cold weather. So if you're like in Florida or somewhere where it's warm and you want me to come to cook in your kitchen, just jot it down below. I'm gonna definitely come back. Yeah, it was fun. She was so sweet, so warm, so kind, and you know, just her having me come to her house and welcome me like that, and her kids was beautiful. Her house spectacular. I had a good time. So fan, if you are watching, I love you, girl. Talk to you later. Alright, next question. Now, next question. Didi Godly ask, how did you meet your husband? Well, that's a long one. I met my husband years ago, in, I'll say 1997. There the bus stop, stand up and my traffic look me, but I never give the time of day because he was a bad boy at them time there. And then I, you know, moved on with my life. He moved on with his, you know, changes years after. God brought us back together, and the road wasn't easy, but you know, now I'm wifey, and yeah, that's how I met my husband. At the bus stop, stand up, I come from school. I was doing taking a clerical class because I was getting ready to work in the office, and so I took a clerical class. And while I was leaving school, waiting for the bus to come, and roll up. You want a ride? I'm like, no. Even though I want a ride or not, I'm just telling him, no, I don't need no ride. But we was friends. Over the course of the years, we was friends only. Alright? Friends only. Friends, no, nothing. Just, we was just friends. We would always see each other and chit chat and talk and party and dance together and all, but we never dig the dookie dick. We never dig the dookie. No, honey. None of that never. We was just friends. And we took our relationship to another level. A couple of years ago, married 3 years and going strong, right? So big up to the hubby. Now another question: do you like doing YouTube? Sometimes I feel like I'm not, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just want to just exit. Sometimes I don't want to be bothered by YouTube, especially with the changes with YouTube and the trolls and then the unsupported other creators. Sometimes I just don't want to be bothered doing it. But because of you guys and the love that you show and the loyalty that you show, and you know, I love cook too, so I figure why not just get those videos out there. If it might reach one person kitchen, somebody going to like it as much as I did. So yeah, some days I just don't feel like to be bothered, y'all. Sometimes I just don't want to be bothered doing YouTube. I'm not going to go lie, because it does take a lot of time, energy and effort to come up with an idea. Because I'm doing cooking, so you come up with the idea, you have to go cook the food, then you have to get it on the computer, then you have to edit the thing, then you have to, it's a lot of work. And then after you get the videos up on YouTube, you have to worry about monetization, restriction, with kid friendly, not kid friendly, worry about your videos notifications are set on, off, or sometimes worry about trolls disrespecting you in the comment section. Yeah, sometimes I feel like a nut, sometimes I don't. Now this is a good one. This one says, if you would move to another country, where would it be and why? Ah, this is a good one. If I could move to another country, your girl I like the cold weather, but if I could really relocate to another country, I think I would have to say Australia. Yes, I love Australia. I think I would relocate to Australia. Now, why? The opportunity for my business. I have gotten a lot of top chef from Australia that has contacted me, want me to do a lot of, yeah, I don't want to get all the way into it, but I have gotten a lot of opportunity coming on my lap from top chefs that are located in Australia. But because I'm in the US and I don't want to travel that far, the opportunity goes right out the window. But if I was to choose a place to relocate and live for my career and the passion that I have for cooking, I would have to choose Australia, because I know that if I live in Australia, I'm going to do awesome. I would open my restaurant there and all that stuff. Yes, I love Australia. Right now we're having winter, so I'm pretty sure they're having summer. I would move to Australia. Yes, 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 yes. Now my next question is from Marie R. Snacks. I hope I'm saying your last name right, but your first name is Marie. Big up yourself, get it straight. Now you wanted me to tell you if I like Georgia better than Connecticut and New York. And the answer for that is I love Georgia better than I like New York. When I first migrated from Jamaica, and we moved to Brooklyn, New York. That's where I was living, in Brooklyn, New York. And I lived in Brooklyn, New York for many, many years. It kind of get claustrophobic. It's just claustrophobic. Rent is very expensive in New York. Food is kind of cheap, but rent is extremely expensive in New York. And so when we did get sick and all them something, they, at one point New York wasn't doing nothing for me as far as my health was concerned, getting better. So I decided to relocate to Connecticut. That's where Connecticut came in. I lived in Waterbury, Connecticut. And I have to say, when them talk about Constitution State, if anybody is living in New York and wanting to move a little bit out of New York but not too far, you could move to Connecticut. Connecticut is a good place, especially if you're struggling. That's a good place to get on your feet fast. Jobs pay very good in Connecticut. The rent is way cheaper than it is in New York. I was living in Waterbury, Connecticut. Things get a little bit more expensive, but you can get a nice little 3-bedroom over there for rent fee more $850. And you know, they have all kinds of assistance over there as far as for the winter months when it's cold. They have programs that will help you to pay your, you know, light. But anyway, long story short, Connecticut, I love Connecticut, but if it was a summer, yeah, Connecticut is a Constitution state, but the weather is not for me. We can't my giants them now and deal with it no more. Now, Georgia, I love Georgia. Georgia have some of the most beautiful houses here. Now, you could get a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, living room, dining room, family room, 2-car garage, nice big backyard. You could get that for rent, a house to rent for like $1,000. Sometimes you can even get it cheaper too, but I love me some Georgia. If you are trying to get a house, especially if you're going to buy a house, and you want to get a nice looking, a mansion looking house, and that's going to cost you like way less than what you would pay in Connecticut and New York, Georgia is the place to go. Not even Florida can top off Georgia houses. No. Georgia is known for the house. Now, if you're afraid of traffic, you're just going to have to learn them side streets, and you're going to have to learn them mad fast, right? But Georgia is where I love me some Georgia. But Georgia, Georgia, on my mind. Georgia. This is good. I'm having homemade eggnog. Well, anyway, my love bugs, that sums it up for right now. I think your girl all done up on the questions then, but this will be my very last Q&A for 2019. I will be uploading random videos for the rest of the week until Christmas, and your girl is going to be uploading an updated I'd say Jamaican fruitcake, but I will insert a link for all my Christmas recipes down in my next video, which will be available I'll say Monday, well, depending on when I upload this video, but I will be uploading Monday. I'm recording right now. Today is Saturday, and so you will get that video on Monday. You might see this one Tuesday, but whenever you will see the video, when you see the video, but I'm gonna upload something Monday, if that make any sense. YouTube and all these changes will make me dizzy as can be. But anyway, give this video a thumbs up, share it, tell me what you'd have me cooking for you down below. What else? Check your notification, because your notifications most likely are off, so check them. Thank you for all the love and your support on what I love to do, which is cooking. I'm pretty sure 2020 is going to be an awesome year, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for me for the next year. And I'm so happy that I have you guys on this journey for the past few years. It's been a rough ride, and the ride has gotten even rougher, but you guys are still hanging in there with me, and I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking it out. Thank you for all the beautiful comments that you leave. They make my day. Sometimes I have a bad day, sometimes I'm not feeling well. My health is up and down sometimes, and with the thyroid and with with my heart condition. Some days I just want to lay up in bed and just sleep. But when I see those beautiful comments, I have to just get some energy and get up and go to the kitchen and start cooking. So I really appreciate the love. Thank you so much to everybody who took the time to subscribe to my second channel, Life as Juliana. I'm trying to get that channel up to, I think it's 900 and something, but I'm trying to get it to 1,000 pretty soon, hopefully by the grace of God. But get the channel monetized as soon as possible. So go over there, guys, and subscribe. I'll put a lot of different things over there, but the year is almost over, but I want to put more contents over there. I just need that channel to start growing so I could put more contents over there. All my vegan goodies are going to be on that channel. I'm not going to put any more vegan recipes here. So make sure to subscribe. Regardless, I do different things that comes to mind. I do the DIYs and whatever. I'm even going to start doing the fashion, like outfits of the day and all them stuff there, and put it over there. So your girl is going to be bringing it. I'm going to work my ass off for the 2020. I have a lot of things on ice. Some things that I can't mention, but because I chose them, and somebody chose them in real life, I know, yes, go there. I can't put everything else, because every time I upload my video, them dip on it like wild rice. Really good. But anyway, I love you guys so much. And what else? This look right here, check out my channel, Life as Juliana. It's gonna be on here. I already uploaded this to make it public, so it's gonna be on there to show you how I create looks like this. And if you want to see me do this particular look, just let me know. I'm gonna do a couple of wraps using these two together. So just let me know, right? I'm gonna do it. Whenever I know I'm gonna do it, whenever I know I'm gonna make a do it. Until YouTube said do it no more. So with that said, I love you guys, and I guess I will see you in my next video. Yeah, lasagna. Make sure to watch it and make sure to thumbs it up and share it on Facebook and put on the social media. Share it so what? So your girl could get these videos out there. Love you guys, and I talk to you in my next one. Ciao.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when